Bonjour. Bonjour tout le monde. Comment ça va? It's me, JB. A little bit. Just had my car done for the service. Come here, baby. Let's turn that on. 3.3 kilometers. They drove my car a little bit just for a test drive. I had the oil changed. Oil was changed. Filter changed. The heat shield for my muffler was a bit loose. I forgot to tell him about that, but he saw it. They figured it out. They tightened the heat shield for the rear right side of the muffler, the back muffler, that is, not the resonator. What else? I had a burnt tail bulb, which he gave to me. He replaced. I was about to replace the bulb myself, but I got got complacent. I got too lazy, and since I was bringing the car to have the oil changed and the fluids checked for the upcoming summer, here's the bulb. I don't know if you can see that it's burnt. So there you go, and that's about it. Let's go home now. Oil change took about 7.5 liters. The brand of the oil is liquid moly, German oil for German cars. Filter, O-ring of the filter changed as well. So let's go home. Let's bring this home. So which way shall I go home? There's many ways to leave this parking lot. This guy wants to turn left, I know it. It's okay, no big deal. So the cost of all that is about $240. Takes 7.5 liters of synthetic oil, liquid moly, as I mentioned before, the filter, the O-ring, replacing the bulb for the brake light, rear brake light, that is. And what else? Checking all the fluids, brake fluid, radiator, etc., and so on and so forth. Checking the tires, the brakes, and all that stuff. So the car's good for the summer. In case I want to travel, you know, go to Toronto or whatever, wherever. And that's it. The dealer would have been twice the cost, twice the price, probably 500, 600 bucks at the dealer. So he's a small garage, and there's nothing terribly complicated to do on this car as of yet. I've had this one for, it's gonna be 2 years. It's gonna be 2 years in the summertime, so July, actually, July 15th, 20th, something like that. That's when it's gonna be 2 years since I bought this one. I paid 8,500 bucks for it. The previous owners did very, very good care of it. I can't find any rust on it. The car is mechanically sound. It's a manual transmission, and I don't have any real complaints. I had that one issue with the electronic steering lock. It was a bit expensive to get it repaired. The only thing is that I knew coming in my tires were already low on air. I have a pump at home, but I've been procrastinating to top off the tires. But they didn't put any air in my tires. You know, so It's not the end of the world. I'm sure that even bringing the car to a Mercedes dealer would have been the same, the same outcome, It would probably overlook the underinflated tires, so it's alright. I have a pump at home, and I have a battery jump starter as well, so which I should keep in the car, but I don't. And the pump I should also think should keep in the car at all times, but I don't. So 2 items should be kept in, but I have it at home, so big deal. I guess I haven't placed them in my trunk because I find them kind of awkward. Don't want to wash your car today because the snow is melting. And as soon as you wash it, as soon as you put it on the road, it becomes crap again. There's a big hole here. Remember when I walked by, I saw this big crater. So I don't want to drive over that for obvious reasons. So all the lights on the dash, all the warnings have been set, been reset, should I say. I could have done that myself, but we still have to do the maintenance and the inspection, so no point in doing that. I let the garage get rid of the message, reset the message for for doing the maintenance. That's it. Unless you do the maintenance yourself, changing the oil yourself and blah 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 blah, the filter and all that, then of course you'll reset it yourself, but which is very easy. It takes 2 minutes to get it done. These buttons here. So I did change my clock because it was an hour late from the time change. So every time the time changes, I have to fix my clock. It doesn't do it automatically like a computer does. It's no big deal. It takes like 30 seconds to do that. That's it. I didn't go home because I don't live here in these buildings, but I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna check something here at the store. I do need to wash this car. Well, thank you for watching my Mercedes Benz C230 maintenance adventure. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you're more than welcome to do so. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you want to give the video a thumbs up, you can. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine as well. So that's it. Have yourself a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.